Hello friends, welcome to Mom Can Do Anything. In today's video I'll be showing you how to alter a tight kurti which does not have any seam allowance. So this kurti I had brought online, and the armhole is a little small and it's tight over the chest area a few inches. So when I flipped it inside out, as you can see, there's hardly any fabric inside. There's not even 0.5 inch. So first I'll correct the armhole for this kurti. I'll draw my armhole size, that is 7 inches across and 8 inches down, and I'll trace the shape of the armhole. So let me just do that first. I'll give a curve over it. See, I have traced the pattern. Now I'll cut it and separate it. So this is my new armhole, the back sleeve and the front sleeve. Front portion, the front portion is has been taken little bit inside. Now I'll work on the sleeve part of the kurti. Let's give it new shape and then put a notch at the center so that you know that it is the center of the sleeves. And now I'll open the sleeves. First cut off the interlocking part and then remove the stitches. Now place the fabric same side facing together. So one side would be the back of the sleeve and one side would be the front of the sleeve. Now give shape to the front of the sleeve. Take 0.5 inches inside and give a curve shape and cut it off. Now since you will be adding extra fabric to the kurti side, you also require to add some extra fabric to the sleeves. So let's first take out some extra fabric. Now you have two options for that. Either you can buy a new fabric which is same as that of the kurti, or you can take fabric from your kurti itself. So if your kurti is a very long kurti, you can take around 4-5 inches from the bottom, and then it will become like a knee length kurti. Or if your kurti is already knee length, you can still take out fabric from it, and then it will become a short kurti to wear with jeans. So my kurti is very long, it's almost till ankle length. So I'll take a patch from the bottom of the kurti and then attach it to the sides of the kurti. So let me just do that. There it is. I've cut off the extra 5-6 inches from the bottom, and now open around 7 to 8 inches from the side of the kurti, and then attach this fabric to both sides of the kurti, left and the right side, on the front as well as the back portion. So let me just do that. Opening the side of the kurti, see, I've opened around 7 to 8 inches. Now attach this two pieces to both the side, left side as well as the right side. After that you will have some extra sides, and from the remaining piece of the fabric take pieces to attach your sleeves as well. So this is your sleeve. Attach it properly to both the sides equally. I'll show you after how it looks after attaching. Here it is. This is the side of the kurti. I've attached the patch. Do not stitch over it, because if you stitch over it, it will show predominantly that you have attached it. Only stitch it from the inside, so it doesn't show that you have attached it. As you can see, it just looks as it's a part of the fabric only, because it's a printed fabric. It is not at all showing that you have attached it. So everything is joined together now. Now let's reattach the sleeves to the kurti, and after reattaching, pin everything together, because it's going to be really like it won't be uniform because you've added so many patches. So pin it together and give shape to your kurti as required. After that, only after that, you cut off the excess. Before then it will come out neatly. So I have cut off the excess now. So let me flip it inside out. This is the right side of the kurti. See, since I have not stitched over the fabric, it is not showing that the fabric has been added, extra fabric has been added. It is not at all showing. And as you can see, now the kurti has become loose and it's very comfortable, and even the length is correct for me. I hope someone somewhere will find this video useful, and please do like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.